Hello everyone, you're watching the official hands-on video for the ICE Orb Harmony. This is the latest addition to the existing lineup of the ICE levitating speakers. Now, as you can see, it comes with the floating orb, the orb which is supposed to float on the base. You have the magnetic base, and then you have an adapter which can be used for activating the base, which I'll explain in just a while. Coming to the orb, as you can see, this time the design is a bit different. It is a bit pod shaped instead of the spherical one. The speaker grills have come to the lower end of the orb, and the upper part of the orb, which I want to emphasize on, has been made of this soft cushiony material. Now, the advantages of going with this design was not only does it make it more appealing and it becomes easier to hold the orb because of the soft material that's present at the top, but it also reduces the weight of the orb to a large extent. So this time when you are holding this product, you will feel a different high altogether because the overall weight of the product has been reduced to a great extent. Now, apart from the grills that have come to the lower half of the product, you can see there are two buttons here, one for the light that is present here and the other for the Bluetooth, and you have a micro USB socket dock here, so you can just use the micro USB cable that you get with your smartphone, and what you can do is you can directly charge the orb using an adapter. And coming to the buttons now, this is the button, and what we have done this time is a user can actually control the brightness of the orb, and it comes with two settings. One is the maximum brightness and the other is the half of that. So if I press this button once, what happens is the entire orb glows up, and just to complement the color of the entire product, it has been given a soft golden glow. It has a very beautifully warm golden glow, so whenever you're using it in a room, the entire room lights up in this soft ambient golden light, and it's actually amazing. So this button, as I was talking about, what you can do is, since this is the maximum brightness of the orb, if you press it once again, this will take you to half of the original brightness, right? And if you press it once again, it switches off, and you can see the soft transition of the lights going off. It's not an abrupt switch off mechanism that we've given. So if you press it on again, this is the maximum light, a warm golden glow. Then if you press it again, then it goes to half of that, and then when you press it again, it switches off. Now coming to this button, this is the Bluetooth button. What you can do is, once you press it like this for about 5 seconds, you'll hear a tone, right? So this is the tone. Now this, and there's a orange LED blinking light here. So what this shows you is, now your Orb Harmony is ready to pair with a smartphone or a tablet which is compatible with a Bluetooth connection, right? And this is the micro USB cable, micro USB port for charging your Orb. Now coming to the base, this time even the base has been made lighter, and you have the regular four indicators here which will help you balance the product. So every time you're trying to balance the product, when the four LED lights are glowing simultaneously, that is the releasing point where you actually have to let go of the orb. Coming to the bottom, you have some grills here for vents and the regular specifications, and even the entire product has been given champagne gold theme. So the orb comes in a champagne gold color, and apart from the upper half, the lower portion of the orb comes in a champagne gold finish as well. Now coming to the adapter, you can use this adapter for connecting or activating the base, and I'll show you how it's done. It's really easy. What you have to do is, you just have to connect the adapter here, and I'll take the cable and I'll just, so there you go. As you can see, it's lighted up. Again, it's the same complementing golden glow color, and if I take it off, it goes off immediately, and if I press it again, it comes up, right? It's really simple. So now the base is ready, and we can now actually float the orb on top of this. What I'll do is, I'll just give you a quick demo. I'll switch this on, right? And it's really simple. People might think that, okay, getting to levitate it might be a bit of a challenge, but trust us, it is not that difficult. all you have to do is you just have to take the orb in both your hands, right? And you have to just take it to the center and leave it like that. Yes, it was that easy. That looked a bit too easy, but it is actually that easy. I'll show it to you once again. What you have to do is you have to take the orb with both your hands, right? You hold it like this and you simply take it to the center. There it is. Pick it up, leave it, you pick it up again. That's it. So what we suggest is, once you get this product, all you have to do is you can do this like a couple of times, and it'll take you about 5 minutes till you get the hold of it, and then it'll be the easiest thing for you to do ever. You just have to take it to the center and you leave it, and then you can just make it rotate, right? And apart from that, I would want to emphasize on something we worked on since the beginning of this project. Was we wanted to make the levitation more smoother, and we wanted to make the levitation more robust. So I'll show you something. I'll see, I can pick up this product, I can move it around, but still the orb is actually not falling off, or the orb is not getting disbalanced. It is actually tilting in whichever direction it can, and it is trying to stabilize itself. So this is something we've done because we didn't want the orb to be falling off here and there, and it becomes a headache. And not even that, as you can see, even if I take my finger and I press the orb, and you can hear the thumping sound that this bass is actually making when it is touching this portion. So I'll just put it up here again, and you can see that I'm basically pushing it, but it is still maintaining the position as it should be. So this time the Ice Orb Harmony is way more stable, and it makes the using of this entire product so much more comfortable. Now coming to the Bluetooth function, what you can do is, we'll just give you a quick demo. Okay, the Bluetooth is already on, so you go to the settings option, you go to Bluetooth, and you connect the Ice Orb Harmony. See, the tone that you heard, the soft tone, that was the tone for the orb getting connected, right? Now what I'll do is, I'll just go over to YouTube and I'll play a video. Okay, so we can put this into the rotating mode and we can play a video. Okay, so while the advertising gets loaded, let me give you a few other features of the orb. Since the lighting of the product has been made in such a nice way that it has a warm glow, this can be used for meditation, this can be used as a bedside lamp, and apart from that, you can use it as a showpiece in your house. This is definitely a conversation starter, because no matter who sees this product for the first time, they're actually going to take things and they're going to pull it and push it just above the base and below the orb, just to see that this is not a trick, and they'll be really happy to know that this is not a trick and this is actually a product that levitates. Right, now what I'll do is, let's play some songs here. So I've played a soft instrumental, and we can actually play instrumentals on this orb, and we can use it for meditation, we can use it for yoga, or we can use it for taking a time off from a hectic schedule. And even when you're going off to sleep, you can actually just have your own playlist of soft and soothing music, and you can just switch it on. You can go off to sleep, and when your playlist ends, it'll automatically stop playing. And not even that, you can use this for playing some really funky tracks, because the sound quality of this product is just amazing. Apart from the soft music, it plays even the hardest of rock songs and the peppiest of pop songs in the best manner possible. And we are completely sure you're going to love this product. So we'll just let you listen to the music quality once, and we'll just switch, take the volume higher. So we can actually stop that now. Okay. So coming back to the product, we are very sure that you're going to love this product. We've worked on it, we've refined it, we've made it better, and the overall product feels more finished. It has this wonderful soft material here, which I actually kind of like playing with, because you know it actually makes the product much more usable, and it feels good when you hold this product in your hands. The light is good, the sound quality is just amazing. This can be used as a soft lighting solution by your bedside, and I just can't keep going on and on and on. And just to show you one more thing, I had been showing you this, that we can actually balance the product with both our hands. But once you start using this, and in a couple of days, we are 100% sure that you will be so used to using this product that you can actually take this product and balance it with a single hand. It's this easy. You just have to take it here. Okay, there you go. Right, there you go. I'll do it once more. There it is. So you can either do it with both your hands. So initially we'll suggest that you start with both your hands. You can take this product, you can hold it from the base again. I'll show it to you. And what you can do is you can directly leave it here, right? And when you're used to it, which we are sure you will be in a couple of days, you can just take this product in your hand, find the center, and okay, find the center, which I did, and let go, right? So if there are any other queries regarding the orb, if there are any questions that you want to ask, you can simply leave your questions in the comments down below, and we'll make sure we get back to you. And we would love to get your suggestions so that we can incorporate them in a new product, and give you something better, something that you want. So do write to us, and do subscribe to us, and let us know what you think about this product, and hope you get your Ice Orb Harmony soon. Thanks for watching.